Hey there. First things first, you should have received the GitHub link I shared with you. What you need to do is clone the repository using either HTTPS or SSH, whichever you prefer, into your local directory. Once you've done that, you'll want to click on the Manage button. Next, head over to the Extensions section, where you'll see a page like this. You'll need to switch on the Developer mode. Then click Load Unpacked and choose the directory where you cloned the GitHub code. Once that's done, everything should be installed and ready to go. Now that everything's working fine, you can open up a blog. If you already have the page opened, be sure to reload it. Then, select some text. This is where the Quick Explain feature comes into play. Ensure the toggle button is switched on to use this feature. You'll notice 5 different options to choose from: Explain, Rewrite, Draft Email, Code, and Logs. The Explain option is perfect for simplifying any paragraph or word you're unsure about. If you're writing something like an email or a paragraph and want to rewrite it, that's where the Rewrite option comes in. It's handy for browser-based writing. Also, remember that E, W, D, C, L are the hotkeys you can use from your keyboard. These hotkeys trigger different functionalities. The draft email function, for instance, creates an email draft based on the selected information, while code and logs have their unique roles. When you use draft email, it takes the information you've highlighted and crafts an email around it. As for code and logs, they function quite differently. They help in explaining code sections. Simply select the code you want to understand and hit the Code Explanation option. It will provide a detailed explanation of the code snippet you've chosen. The explanation will give you insights into the code and its components, making it easier to understand what the code is doing. Similarly, you can get explanations for logs as well. There's another feature called Chat with Any Page. To use Chat with Any Page, click on the extensions and select the BESA bot. Once you do, the page will automatically be scraped and the information will be ready for you to interact with. If you want a short summary of the code, just hit Summarize. To close it, click on the specified key. This feature updates dynamically, so when you move to another page, the page content updates too. If you're on a different page and want to chat about its content, just select it and start chatting. That's how everything works. The Chat with Page feature dynamically changes the selection as you navigate through different pages. That's the gist of it all. Thanks for tuning in.